go.
My fishing buddy, Die Hard Girls in the Rain.
It's May 7th. Today is Saturday. We're about to go catch some reds. Wish us luck. Bye. You're videotaping that?
Yeah.
I see he's so close to the boat right now. I can see the cork. He's going this way, guys. He's right there. Like he's literally right over here. See him?
Where you at?
Right here.
He's getting tired. Coming this way?
Yeah, I'm tired now.
That's a drum. Look at it, you see the stripes.
Yeah, it's not red. It's a drum. It's a drum. Look.
It's a big
Put
drum.
your net in the water. He's tired. He's not really doing much.
Oh my goodness.
He ain't
Reel it, Finbit.
Where you at?
Put him up. Put him in. Put him in.
I don't know where he's at.
Reel him in.
Come in, come in.
You don't see him down?
Come on, baby. Tired.
He's tired. Like, come on.
He said, I can't do this.
Man, well, let her pull it to the thing, okay?
Ooh, he made my hand hurt. My hand
Let him stack out.
Ooh, my hand hurt.
Man,
He was tired. He was like, oh, okay, I give up. I was just a little...
Gotta get your picture.
He's like, I just need to rest a little bit here.
Ooh, you got him
He
good.
was getting tired.
Yeah, he's tired.
We saw him just kind of... You caught that in the water too?
Yeah.
Alright. He doesn't have, he's got it on video. Look at that video.
That's a big old red. I mean, big
Big
drum.
old drum.
Yep. Good job.
Get a picture now.
I don't even think he was on.
What do you mean he wasn't on?
Hold him up
Yeah,
again.
you're right.
He's on one. He's on one. Look at that.
And he's tired. He can't fight
He's
no
sticking
more.
out of the mouth. Look. I hooked him good. You see that hook?
This is how you do southern.
What we doing, you guys? What we doing?
Put on
We're
there.
doing
This is how.
drum. We're doing drum on the grill.
What we got? What we got going on up in here?
Well, we fillet him,
Oh.
and we leave the half the one side of him on there that the scales on. You put onion, garlic, butter, and we put a little bit of this right here, this blackened season, Zatarain's. Put a little bit of that on there.
New Orleans style.
And New Orleans style, yes sir. Right, we just caught them a couple hours ago. They're fresh.
All right. Awesome.